Okay, time to go, everybody. We're talking weather. We've got a weather forecast that everybody out there is going to be liking, I think, at this point. Now, some of us, we do want the snow, but, I mean, we've gotten so far removed at this point from snowy days that I think even those folks are capitulating and just saying, yeah, let's just get on with the warm season at this point, as we've got bare ground and sunshine that is working on down. We made it to 48 degrees. Now, speaking of snow, what about those snow stats? Our typical amount of snow through March 18th in Grand Rapids is 70.9 inches. Look at that. That's a big amount, folks. We've gotten 45.8, and that's actually less than last year's 48.5. That's kind of interesting. Those numbers are just flipped around. But last year, at this point, we had 48.5 inches. I do not see any opportunity for additional accumulating snow at any point over the next couple of weeks. So we'll see. We'll see how it goes. I know when I was working in Green Bay, we got hit with a storm that produced, I think, 22 inches on April 16th, about 4 or 5 years ago. Now, granted, that's Green Bay, but I mean, the point is it can still snow in the Midwest into April. We'll see what happens. I'm not noticing anything like that, though, coming up in the short term, that's for sure. 37 at 9 o'clock. We dropped to 33. It's going to be chilly. It's going to be cold overnight tonight, dropping into the lower to mid 20s by daybreak. On Friday, these winds will slowly but surely be backing down. They already are to some extent. I mean, it is still breezy out there, but the wind gusts that were between about 40 and 45 commonplace in Grand Rapids. And one of those wind gusts, apparently from my colleague Laura Velasquez, that we got a wind gust of 51 miles per hour out at the airport in GR earlier today. So, yeah, it's been breezy. It's been windy, everybody, as temperatures have made a run for 50 degrees right along the lakeshore. There were a number of observations that got there today. Currently, those winds are more like about 15 to 20 miles per hour, with some gusting to around 30 to 35 at times. These are the peak wind gusts from today, and this corridor of brisk winds, which was showing on the models yesterday, played out exactly as forecast to be the windiest locally here in Grand Rapids. Temperatures, somehow that's the wrong temperature chart, but you saw some 60s in there, and we're going to be bringing those in by early next week. Starting on Sunday, any moisture over towards the East Coast, that system flirted a few sprinkles in here last night. That was about it. I think we got 1/100 of an inch in GR. Derek, Janice, I don't even have a cloud symbol in there. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, a perfect stretch of weather for mid-March. We actually get into the mid-60s, I think, by Monday and Tuesday before a shower can come in, but not a big system by the middle of next week.
All right, Anthony, thank you for that.